Good day, who gong dat? Good day, how are you guys? I'm back again here in North Friesland in the town of Nibel, or Nibel, as the sign says behind me, where the Frisian language is still spoken, together with Low German, High German and Danish. So it's a quadrilingual region, something which isn't really known even by many people who live here. So that's a tricky issue in itself. But first of all, I wanted to say thanks very much for all your comments on my video from last year. I'm very grateful for them. Many of them were very positive. Some of you guys had questions. And there were also a couple of comments which maybe could be seen as being racist. I would like to distance myself from these very much. So, a very general question. Why should we even bother? I think that languages contribute immensely to the cultural richness. Every language gives us a different world view. It would be very boring, in my modest opinion, if everyone around the world spoke English. Money is tight, and I'm fully aware that we can't spend millions on minority languages. But, especially on a small minority like Frisian, where about 10,000 people speak the language. However, providing education in Frisian wouldn't really cost very much because kids need to be educated anyway. I think it is the right of the Frisian people to have their kids educated in their language. I'm able to compare the attitude of the United Kingdom and of Germany towards the Gaelic and Frisian languages respectively, and there is a huge difference. Here in North Friesland, there's only one school where kids are educated in Frisian and in Danish. There's one school on the island of Fering, where I've just been, and where Frisian is taught as a subject. That, in my view, clearly couldn't even be considered as lip service. It's really negligible and makes me very sad. I find it extremely surprising that Germany, which prides itself in being a model democracy, a force for good in the world, which supports so many other cultures, doesn't even do the bare minimum for the Frisian language. I would even go as far as calling it cultural imperialism, though you might find that controversial. You might even say that I have a white savior complex, given that I'm not Frisian myself. But the benefit of being an outsider is that I hopefully have the liberty to say such things. Anyway, I hope I have contributed to the debate, and I hope you will support me in spreading the message. Many thanks and goodbye. Full tonk and adios.